My name is Dr. Gregory Martin. I'm with RIA Endovascular, and we provide minimally invasive surgeries and procedures for patients. Due to COVID-19, we limited our outpatient surgeries in order to protect patients. Now that hopefully the worst has passed, we are open again to provide safe and effective outpatient procedures for patients. We have continued to take care of our patients in the safest manner possible. We've also expanded our social media presence to make sure that people are aware of all the things that we offer to help them in their lives. Patients can call our clinic at 720-493-3406 or look us up on our website, riaendovascular.com. We also have Facebook and Instagram pages that help explain what we do to help everyone in our community.